Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming by. Today I have my Fashom box. This is my second box from Fashom, so only my second styling box. And what I love about Fashom is I go in and tell them when I want a new styling. It doesn't come monthly. I just say, you know what, I could use some new tops. And you go onto their website and you say, style me now. And you can give them any, like I told them that I like my t-shirts. This is a shirt actually that I got from them last styling, that I like my t-shirts to come to my elbows, that I love jackets and cardigans and everything that I can throw over a t-shirt. I was ready to be styled with some fall type ideas. It's $15 to be styled, but your styling for your first box is free, so you don't pay that $15. But after that, like today, it was $15 for me to be styled, but if I purchase anything in here, that $15 comes straight off the top, so it's deducted from your first purchase. And the beauty of Fashom for me is they send you, once they've styled you, they send you the pictures of what they've styled you with. So generally it's 8 things, and they ask you to pick the 5 you like best that you'd like them to send you. So that's what I did. And in all fairness, when I got my first styling back from them for this box, I didn't love much in it. They didn't really focus on, I wanted it to be fall and that kind of thing. It was a new stylist for me. So I emailed her and I said, you know, I'm not loving any of this. What do you think? Can you restyle me again? And they said, no problem. So they totally restyled me, sent me 8 new items. I easy peasy picked the 5 that I liked the best, and that's in theory what I have in this box. So it's so easy. If you have to exchange for sizes, they do that as long as it's the size they have in stock. When you're done, let me get in here. When you're done, they send you a bag in this box that after you've tried everything on, you have 3 days. They send you a postage paid bag to send it all back to them in. So that's super easy. And if you purchase only 3 things, you already get a discount. With some boxes, you have to purchase everything in the box. But with Fashom, if you purchase 3 items, you get a 25% discount. And if you purchase all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. So I will put my link below if anybody has any interest in going and checking this out. Your first styling, they take that $15 fee off, so there's no styling fee. You still pay for what you get in your box, but there's no styling fee. And you'll get a $10 discount off your first purchase with my link. So my total styling box is $192, but if I purchased all 5 items, there would be a 30% discount of $57.60, so my entire box would only cost $134.40. That's great if it's 5 items that you really like. But even with 3, I can get 25% off. Okay, so let's get in my, I like to call it my burrito of clothes that are in the box. This is what that looks like. I feel so close to you guys today. I'm taping somewhere new and I'm very close to the camera. This is what my burrito looks like with a little Fashom sticker on the front. Those are my colors from the side. So I have high hopes for some fall situations. So let's look at these really quick and then I'll tell you more about them as I try them on for you. Oh my goodness, the first one is so soft. I tell you, I found that about so many of the products when I got them last month, like this one I have on, it is so soft. They work with a lot of rayon span combinations, which they say has to be hand washed. It doesn't. It can be done on, in my washer, I've had success doing on the Delicate Cycle, but it is such a wonderfully soft combination. So this is my first top, and I fluctuate between a 1X and an extra large because I have lost a lot of weight and I have a real arm situation where the weight defluffed and I kind of like an unstuffed teddy bear, which makes some tops difficult to fit in the upper arms. So even though I'm only an extra large, I have to go with the 1X to have the arm fit. Anyway, this first one is a really pretty olive green and it's just a 3/4 length. Oh, and it has a little cuff. I didn't realize that in the picture. It's a little faux cuff. Oh, that's so cute. Nice finishing on it. And it's just a basic tee. I like that a lot. Next I have, oh, this one's a little brighter, but I do, as you can tell, I do like florals. It is a blue floral. And this is what that looks like. This is not a very long arm since I'm really specific about wanting them to go to my elbows, unless this is a drop sleeve, which I don't think that it is. Oh, it does have a little cold upper arm going though. It's really pretty and I love the length of it. So with a little jacket over it, if the arm is not long enough, that might be lovely. Next, I have, oh, one of my favorites. I love a baseball tee, you know, with the colored arms and a solid body or vice versa. And I got another one this month. It is a pretty navy color with a 3/4 length sleeve, and it's a long body, which I also love. I love a tunic length top. Love that. Next, I didn't get any bottoms. Next I have, ooh, fancy. It's just a t-shirt, but it has a crisscross applesauce upper and then the, ooh, so pretty. And it's just a charcoal gray and it's a nice long length too. I like that. That's very pretty. These are nice. And last but not least, I have, and this is a different fabrication than I thought it was going to be, a jacket. And it has a nice, pretty embroidery down the front, and it's lined. It's a lined jacket because it's so light. So it's 2 layers. Is it everywhere lined? No, it's just lined over that embroidery. This is really pretty though. I will be anxious to see what this looks like on, but it's nice and it's got a nice wide long sleeve. Okay, let's try these on and see what I've got. I'll be right back. Okay, this is my first top, which I was fully prepared to love because it's not quite as long a sleeve as I usually like, but it is so cute, right? It's got this little peak sleeve area and the print is gorgeous. And I'll back up so you can see it's really long. I like that so much. I love a nice long top. It's equal in the front and back. It fits pretty nicely here, but it's not at all. It's not too big. And it feels so good. It is a Chris and Carol knit top, and it is a 95% rayon and 5% span. So it's another one of those super soft, but they say hand wash items that I don't hand wash. And it fits so nice, and I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? Let me know below. I think it's cute. I think I want this one. That's one. First one. Yay. Be right back. All right, guys, top number 2, and I love it. I love a baseball style top, and this is a pretty kind of florally but paisley top, and it's got blues and pinks and reds in it. And this is another one of those super soft 95 rayon 5 span, so they want me to hand wash it. And the body of it is just a nice blue, but it's dark enough. Let me back up so that you can see the bottom. It is dark enough that even though I have jeans on, it looks good with it. Sometimes I don't like blues and tops because they don't look good with jeans, but I like this because it's dark enough, and it's another one that's a great length and a nice fit. Oh my gosh, that is 2 shirts, and I think so far I'm 2 for 2. What do you guys think? It's super cute, right? Now you'll probably be like, no, it's not as cute as you think. Let me know below what you think. I'll be right back with another one. So I like this one too, guys. What do you think? The problem with this one is the sleeve is shorter than I generally like. Like I said, I've lost the weight, so I have this arm problem. And I generally really like to keep it covered up. But it's so cute. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. And it would make, from here up, it would make great videos. I could wear one of my little kimono jackets like with it that I like. That would be kind of cute. What do you think? It's another long one. I love this tunic length. Love it. I think it's super cute here. It's just a matter of the sleeve length is shorter than I generally like sleeve lengths. But if I treated it like a base piece going into the fall with a cardigan or a kimono or something, I think I like it. And I haven't told you any of the prices, so let me tell you that the first one that I tried on that was just that real floral one with the short sleeves with the little peekaboos is a $42 top. The second one that I tried on that I called the baseball top, but they just call a printed sleeve waist length top, is a $35 top. I think that's a great buy. This one is a Middow Shop jersey crisscross front short sleeve top, and it is $37. And this one is 64 poly, 34 rayon, 4% spandex. So it's actually, because it's a different brand, it's actually a different fabrication than the other ones. But I like it. It's a nice charcoal gray. Tell me what you guys think. I'll be right back. Okay, and with this one, I am back to Chris and Carol, which is the same brand as the first two tops I tried on. It is a 3/4 length sleeve. It is very tight in my upper arms. I am not keeping this. It fits nicely, great in the body. It's fantastic, but it's that upper arm issue that I talked about. It's another one that's a great length. It's a nice olive green. It would be perfect for fall, yada, yada, yada. It's too tight in my upper arms. I can't keep it. And it would be a $36 top, and I absolutely do not care for it that much. And the last thing is this jacket, and I thought it would go best with this top, so we'll try it on. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's very beige and it's very thin, and it has this, no, this is not, no, can we all agree this is not me? I think we can agree on that. It's a little too, it's not me. It has a really lovely sleeve. If you like this, I will tell you all about it, so you can request it if you do this. It's a nice length. Can you see in the back? It has that nice trim work all the way around it, all the way to the front. It looks like a bag on me. It emphasizes my, it's not for me. It is not for me. If it looked good on you, it would be a great fall piece, but it does not look good on me. This says that it is a Andre by Unit kimono, and it's only $42. If you liked it, that's actually not a bad price for a kimono, but I do not care for it. So I think that my first three were a success. The floral top with the little, even though the sleeves are a little short, and then the baseball style top, and then the gray top. I like them all very much, and I think I'm gonna keep them, which means I will get a 25% discount on them. So that's fantastic. And then I don't think that this green top, because of the way the arms fit, or this jacket, because of the way it looks on me, are exactly for me. But let me know below what you think. Do you do a styling service? And I think 3 out of 5, honestly, for somebody who's never met me and we've typed words on the internet, I think sending me 3 out of 5 things that I want is actually a great success. I don't have that kind of luck when I go to the store and pick 5 things out and take them to the dressing room. So that's fantastic. If you have any questions, let me know below. I've put my link below. Like I said, your styling fee is $15, but that's waived the first month. And then in the following months, when you have the $15 styling fee, it comes right off the price of the first thing that you purchase. And if you use my link below, you get $10 off the first item that you purchase. So it's down there if you think this is something that you would like to try. I enjoy it very much, and like I said, I think 3 out of 5 is a really great success rate. So thanks for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And oh, let's do something for the giveaway. Let's say, where do you do most of your shopping these days? Do you do it in store or online? Let me know below, and we'll do that for an extra entry into my giveaway, which I will put a link up here if you haven't already signed up for the giveaway. And I will see you guys really soon. Bye.